Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class we will learn how to install Git Bash and the Bitbucket. And so you can see my web browser Google Chrome, and here you can press the Git Bash here and click on downloads here and click on download first Windows, and you can see the 64-bit for Windows setup or 32-bit for Windows setup. So based upon your Windows requirement, you can choose either this or this. So mine is 64-bit, so I'm choosing this. Click on this and the download will be started downloading. But as I was installed this kit in my system, so that's why I'm canceling it. So after installing this Git and click on that file, you can then a pop-up will be raised. You have to click on next. Then at last you have to finish the download. So how can you check whether it is installed or not? Using command prompt. Here you can press git hyphen version. Then you will get the git version 2.45.1 Windows.1. So you can check here whether the git is installed or not. So it's completed. And now we have to log into the Bitbucket. We have to log into the Bitbucket. So click on Bitbucket login and you can click on here. And as I was logged in with my email ID. So after login with this email ID, after registration, you will get the something interface like this. And you can see the create workspace here. So click on create workspace and click a workspace here. And I will choose Volada. So I'm creating a workspace here and I will create. So a workspace is created. A workspace is created. Now I'll create a repository. So create repository and the repository name is Python programs and repository name Achyut and default branch name is master. So yeah, so just remove this checkbox and click on create repository now. So then your repository will be created. Then your repository will be created. So this is a repository. So now we have to push some files in this. So I'm go to the documents here and I will choose Python programs. So I have to push all these files to the Bitbucket. So how can you push? Just press on right click and see here you can open the Git bash here. Click on Git bash here. So here you have to init, git init. So git is initiated and you have to add git remote add origin. So git remote add origin and here, so here you can see this thing, right? So you have to write as it is. So you have to write git remote add origin. Yeah, let's see. Git remote add origin or you have to write git add remote origin, or yes, we have to add git add remote origin and here we have to write https:// start at the rate of bitbucket.org/achyut collada slash dot git. So what is it? What it is? It's a remote origin. So we are adding the HTTPS Achyut Stark at the rate of bitbucket.org Achyut Tolada Achyut.pip. So we have to press enter here. So remote did not match anything. So we have to change like this, git remote add origin. So I hope we can check whether it's added or not. Git remote -v. So it's not added. So let's check in this thing. So here check. So it's not responding properly. So git add. So what's saying? Git remote add options URL. So let's create again here. So you can see here. You can see here. I have added the Git by using git remote add origin and your Bitbucket URL link. So your Bitbucket URL link. So where you can find it? So just see here. You can see here. Just close it here and just clone here. And instead of git clone, you have to write git git remote add origin. So git remote add origin you have to write and the URL and whether it is created or not, you have to type command git remote hyphen -e. So then you can see the overall thing, overall URL. So now it's added. Now it is added. So first of all, you have to add it. So first of all, you have to add it. So I have git added, like I have added all the files, and you have to commit it. So commit -n, and I will do Python files. So click on it. So I have committed. I have committed it. So I have to push it. Git push -u origin master. Click on next. So it's asking sign in. You have to sign in here, and you can see here. So you can see here authentication is successful, and now you can close this thing and so let's try again. Indicate successfully get credential manager has successfully authenticated. Can I close this page? So the request repository either does not exist or you do not have access to believe this. So we are getting error here. So we can use git push -f horizon master. So it's not working. The requested repository does not exist or do not have access. If you believe this repository exists and you have access, make sure you're authenticated. So authentication error. So we are getting an authentication error. Let me check this error. So welcome back, friends. So I have resolved that issue. So the issue is we have to we have to update the password for our Bitbucket. So after that, I have check whether that remote is there or not, and I have checked all these things, and I have added again, and I have committed, and I have tried this command git push hyphen u origin master. So now I'm getting this error. So when you press get git push hyphen u origin master, then it will ask the permission from the Bitbucket. So you have to grant the permission. So I have granted the permission. So error failed to push some refers. You're getting some errors like this. So instead of using git push hyphen u, use git push hyphen f origin master. Click on uh, click on the- click on enter. Then all the files will be sent to our Bitbucket. It's a force update. It's a force update. So let's see whether it is updated or not in our Bitbucket. So let's refresh it and go to source. See here, you can see all the files, right? You can see the all the files of Python. You can see all the files of Python. So you will get some errors in Bitbucket. So you have to solve those errors using Google. So my error is you have to change the password in Bitbucket. So I have changed the password and I have successfully transferred all the files to the Bitbucket. So that's it, friends. If you have any doubts, please comment in the chat. I will help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefit from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.